little feisty one. Coming up. Come up with a white tail. Man, it's hard to like. He's a feisty little bugger, or her. Nice bird. White tail. Pretty nice. The brothers are straight blue. There's a bit of red tinge on the bars. It did have another brother which was a baldy. That one in the past big flight hasn't come back. But that's alright. The brothers came back. There's a lot of hawks at the moment and whatnot. But this bird's coming up amazing. And then we got these from a totally different pair. So, another feisty one. Take a chill pill. But yeah, no, it's nice. And the brother, it's a little different. Colour not as set. It's got his bars, which is nice. Yeah. And then we got our third white Serbian high flyer. That's our third one. Coming up really nice and stocky. And then from the same eggs of the white one, white tail, pretty much all white apart from the back. We'll chuck this one for flying. So in another week, we'll put it in the flying pen with the young ones. Now we've got Baldy, nice Baldy over here. Guess he will replace the Baldy I lost. So its brother is already in the flying pen. This one I think needs another week. And then we've got a feisty little saddle. We'll put him for flying. Come up really nice. Still small. So I'll put it back in its little nest. Probably another couple weeks. He'll be moved to the other side. And then showing how this one's coming up. It's coming up pretty good. Still can't believe the colour combos, what's coming up, the whites, the reds, and then from the pair, which are my red whitebeards. Done a very nice. Very nice one there. Yeah. still can't believe, and I'll say this, 2 times that I've did the breeding, have not lost one young bird. No bird has died. No nestling has died. Nothing has been sick. Knock on wood. But yeah, it's been a good couple of seasons. Can't complain. Hopefully I don't jinx myself. And then to get this bird, which I'm still contemplating, to fly it or not. Well, guess we'll see. I might just put it for flying, and then tomorrow you'll hear me say nah. But I think I will. I'm pretty sure I will. So the father of this, it's the OG big red bars. This bird has flown quite a few hours. It's a pretty old bird now. That's the father. Can't believe that, right?